Hi, everyone. Today we're going to be talking about the appointment slot function within Google Calendar. Now, this is a great function if you want to be able to set up conferences or meeting times, but you want them to be in a single event in your calendar. So to get started, all you're going to do is click on your calendar on the date and time that you would like them to start. And then you're going to get this window and you're going to want to add in a title. So I'm going to put conferences. And below that title, you'll notice a couple options. You're going to want to click appointment slots. And this will change your window just slightly. You still have your date and you still have your time, and you can even change your time so you can elongate it if you would like. And then below that, this is where the appointment slot option comes in. So you can choose to have slots with duration, and this is probably the best one for if you want lots of meetings within that one event, or you can pick to have a single slot so someone could sign up for the whole time. So I'm going to click slots with duration, and then you can pick how long you want your appointment slots to be. And I'm going to put mine down to 20 minutes. Again, you want to make sure that your calendar is on the correct one and that you're not using a different calendar when creating this. And then you're going to click more options. Now, within this screen, you'll notice that your information you already plugged in is saved. So you still have the same date, time, you have your slots saved to the same amount of time. And you also have this new piece which says does not repeat. You can allow or you can make this event repeat multiple times. So you can create a custom one. Maybe you want it, the first day of every month, or you want it daily or weekly. You can decide for that. Once you have that decided, you're going to come down here and you can add a location if you would like. And then you can also add a description. So if you want someone to bring something to this appointment, or you're going to talk about certain things, so you want them to prepare ideas, you can put that information in there. Then what you're going to do is you're going to click save, and you'll notice your event is created. And within that event, you have this little grid piece right here. That grid piece tells you that this is an appointment slot event. Okay. Normal ones don't have that grid piece. Now, in order to share it with others so that they can sign up, you're going to click on the event and you'll notice this little world icon. And next to it, you have a link. Go to appointment page for this calendar. So you're going to click on that, and that's going to bring you to this screen. Now, all you have to do is copy and paste this URL into an email and send it out. And you'll notice that right now, this is the actual date, and I have to go over to the date that I've set these up, which is the end of March. You'll notice that I have this page, and this is what it's going to look like for the people signing up. And so they can click on each of these conference times. So these are each 20 minutes long. And once they click on it, it will send you an email letting you know that they've signed up, and it'll also put it within your calendar so you can see who signed up. So I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial on how to use the appointment slots function within Google Calendar.